Hi Hippo. It's Zebra with the Jen Higgins for Senate campaign. I have down here that you plan to vote for Jen in her election this November. Is that right?
Yes. I think I talked to you guys outside of the dining hall last week. Jen just seems like the right one for the job.
Great. Well Hippo, with only 2 weeks until the election we still need to identify over 500 more supporters to make sure we win. Can you help us to ID voters this week?
I'm really busy with school this week. I don't think so.
I totally hear that, Hippo. The week after is the election, and we need every strong supporter like you out knocking doors to get people to the polls. Can you help that week?
Sorry. You guys definitely have my vote, but I am just too busy to help right now.
Okay Hippo. Thanks for your support.